Hi glam subscribers, welcome back to my channel. I am Curlsdynasty. Today's video is a simple cut crease that go a long way, right? So I would like to thank you all for the response on my last video, Pennywise haul. Yes, to DIY, that will be coming soon. Let's jump right into the video. Guys, I am back. What I did, I take 2 pieces of scotch and just put it at the side of my eyes for guidance. I already did my eyebrows off camera. I'm jumping right in just with the eyes alone, okay? Now this video I will be hardly talking. All you have to do is listen to the music and keep on watching. What I am going to apply is the P. Louise Base Rumor 5, right? I am blending it out seamlessly. So when I remove this tape, it will have a sharp cut. I'm using these 2 palettes, the Warrior by Juvia's Place, and I'm using Only But Goody, the Jacqueline Hill palette by Morphe. So what I did, I blend out on top with 3 different shades of brown, and now I'm going to cut the crease. I finished cut the crease. and I'm just going in with a plain cream color. I'm using a brown shade, any kind of brown shade you can use, and I'm using this aqua FX. It's a water liner. You just put water and you reactivate it. No, I forgot to tell you all my nails are missing, so don't come for me. This is the second week and they already started to drop off, so I have to take it out. Anyway, this is a cream eyeliner I came up with. It's actually cream mixed, well, brown eyeshadow mixed with whites, and it come out a little creamish. I didn't wanted it too white. I just wanted it a little cream, like a beige color. Let's go on to the eyeliner. I'm going to do a wing one time using AOA Studio. So now I am going to take out the tape to see how sharp it came out, right? So there is the finished product for the cut crease, right? Very simple and nice. I am going to finish off my face. Well, I'm going to apply foundation off camera and I'll be back. I'm back. I already apply my foundation, concealer, bronze, contour. I put a little green underneath my eyes. So now I'm going in with the Sephora blush in Hey Jealousy. Right? And a little bit on my nose. Skin Divina Makeup Finishing Spray Oil Control. I'm using this spray. What I am doing now, I'm going and apply a little glitter underneath my eyes before I apply the mascara below underneath here. I'm going to use some green glitter right here. So let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. I'll do the brush. Okay. What to use? What to use? What to use? Glitter glue. Glitter glue. And I'm just applying some glitters right here. Right here. That's it. Now I will go in with the mascara and apply some to my bottom lashes. Now it's to apply the eyelashes. I'm not going with anything. Oh yeah, I'm going with something a little simple so you can see the cut crease much better. I am using my favorite AOA glue for my eyelashes. For my lip, I'm using a brown pencil to line my lip. Lip gloss. Lip gel, lip gloss, however you want to say it. I'm just going in with some spray. Fix Plus spray. Let it dry. My lips are finished. Using brown pencil and lip gloss. This is the finished product. Hope you all like it. Let me just zoom in a little. This is more like a street vibes. You have a funny hair, the earring, the jacket. And this is when you just go online with some friends, you know, and you want to dress up or dress down, but you look pretty or cute at the same time. This is a cute one. It's a hot jacket. I'm loving these earrings. Meet up some friends, you know, like have a few drinks, but I don't drink. Or have a mocktail. How to say it? Mocktail? Yeah. Sometimes, but not all the times. It's according to how I feel, the vibes, or however I feel to dress. This is just, you know, simple but effective. This is the look underneath some dim lights. It look pretty with a hat. Actually, this look inspired by the hat. This is it. Cut crease, simple cut crease with a touch of green. Right? I hope you enjoy it. Although I didn't do much talking, it was just much concentrating on doing the cut crease for you all. So I hope you all take it in and grasp what you need to grasp. This is it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, put on your notification bell and share. See you all in my next video.